Hello, kind regards to Thor. My name is Daisy Liliana Flores. I am from Bucaramanga, Santander. I belong to the Business Administration program. Impact of technology in my community. How has technology changed human lives in your community? The online procedure service connectivity public lighting with sensor and the pilot of security cameras with facial identification are part of advance that promote Bucaramanga as a smart city. This allows us to analyze that Bucaramanga is a smart and sustainable city. It is an innovative city that uses information and communication technologies and other means to improve decision making, the efficiency of operations, the provision of service, CDS and their competitiveness. At the same time, it seeks to meet the needs of current and future generations in relation to economic, social, and environmental aspects. What positive and negative aspects do you consider your community has had in the use of technology nowadays? As positive aspects, we have that Bucaramanga seeks to strengthen the digital infrastructure and create metropolitan interoperability, fiber optics, and public lighting, digital transformation, and data-oriented transparency. It begins with the strengthening of a 185 kilometers of fiber optics that allows connecting the 17 districts of the city and the different districts with internet service activation of 104 free Wi-Fi zones, which benefits more than 19,000 recurrent users and with a projection to 600,000 citizens and tourists by the end of 2023. As for the negatives, we had the financing by the administration since a significant investment in technology is required, a considerable increase in electronic waste. Thank you.